Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be exploring the best vibratory plate compactors available on the market this year. This list is based on my personal opinion, considering factors like price, quality, durability, and more information about these best vibratory plate compactors. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. The Tomahawk 5.5 HP plate compactor answers that challenge by embedding the legendary trust of a Honda GX 160 engine at its core. This powerful, low-maintenance heart allows the compactor to consistently deliver over 3,000 pounds of centrifugal force per square foot, guaranteeing professional-grade 100% compaction across demanding materials like gravel, dirt, and asphalt. The key advantage is its balanced design. The compact 17 by 21-inch plate is exceptionally maneuverable, providing the precision needed to work around cramped trenches and narrow spaces where larger units often struggle. Built to last, the unit is heavily reinforced by a steel exciter box for maximum protection and longevity on tough job sites. The primary trade-off is that its force, while perfectly adequate for most tasks, prioritizes dependable consistency over the highest available peak specs. However, the peace of mind offered by the exceptional 3-year Honda engine warranty, plus a 1-year product warranty, transforms this compactor into the dependable, precise, and rugged powerhouse professionals rely on. The VEVOR 2.8 HP plate compactor doesn't just settle soil, it performs surgery on your substrate. This machine, advertised for patios and walkways, is secretly a professional-grade solution disguised as a consumer unit. The core feature is its potent 78.5cc gas engine, which delivers a focused, thumping 250 VPM and 920 pounds of centrifugal force, providing an impressive 8-inch compaction depth that stabilizes even tricky paver bases. The large 221-inch squared plate helps cover up to 5,400 square feet per hour, turning a multi-day project into a quick afternoon job, all while the 8mm thick plate shrugs off abuse. Moving the heavy 105.8 pounds unit is surprisingly manageable thanks to the wide, wear-proof wheels and its adjustable choke and linear throttle simplify operation for beginners. The major trade-off is the noise. You'll absolutely need hearing protection, as this engine is loud. Furthermore, users must be diligent about the separate unleaded 86+ octane gasoline and SAE 10W30 engine oil requirements. Oil is not included, which adds a mandatory pre-use checklist to every job. Despite the mandatory maintenance, this EPA-compliant compactor is an efficient, power-packed investment that dramatically speeds up any serious stabilization project. The Evolution Hulk electric compactor plate is the silent assassin of site preparation, solving the classic dilemma of noisy, fume-spewing machinery. This isn't a compromise. Powered by a clean 120-volt electric induction motor, this unit emits zero harmful fumes, making it uniquely ideal for tightly enclosed construction sites or simply maintaining neighborhood peace. The machine delivers focused performance using low-frequency, high-amplitude vibrations for superior stabilization of sand, soil, and gravel, perfect for everything from artificial turf prep to block paving. A thoughtful vibration damper system enhances user comfort, reducing fatigue during long sessions, and the thick, durable base plate generates high centrifugal force with a steady 5 meters per minute travel speed. The design prioritizes durability and convenience, featuring robust roll bars for protection and an easy fold hinged handle for compact storage. The main constraint is the necessary management of the power cord, limiting your range in comparison to gas models. However, its quiet operation, low maintenance requirements, and excellent 3-year warranty make the Hulk a reliable, long-term investment for conscientious builders. The WEN 6.5 HP plate compactor is the answer, not an apology for electric power. The twist here is pure, unfettered, gas-powered muscle, perfectly suited for heavy-duty projects that require maximum density and depth. Its muscular 196cc engine unleashes a staggering 350 pounds of centrifugal force, delivering 700 blows per minute, a specification that easily tames large-scale projects like driveways, deep sub-bases, and commercial preparations. The single-direction plate travels at an impressive 125 feet per minute, minimizing job time and dramatically increasing efficiency. Despite the brute power, the machine is thoughtfully designed for user convenience. An included wheel kit and lifting handles make transportation and storage a breeze, while vibration dampers improve operator comfort. The major trade-off, as is standard with high-output gas engines, is the requirement for regular fuel and oil maintenance, plus the necessity of robust hearing protection. However, features like low oil shutdown and a durable powder-coated finish, backed by a 2-year residential warranty, ensure this WEN unit is a powerful, reliable, and aggressive workhorse built for the toughest conditions. The YARDMAX YCO850 Plate Compactor is the clever solution for serious DIY hours and light-duty contractors who prioritize smart design over raw tonnage. This compact, self-propelled 79cc model delivers a fast and effective 5,900 blows per minute, perfect for efficient preparation of patios, walkways, and garden features. Its standout feature is the single, stamped plate design, which ingeniously eliminates traditional weld beads. This not only guarantees superior flatness and strength, but completely prevents rusting over time, a massive benefit for durability. User comfort is significantly improved by the mounted 3-point handle equipped with rubber bushings to absorb harsh vibrations, while the 1-850 lb compaction force is lower than large commercial units, making it unsuitable for extremely deep or wide commercial tasks. The compromise is worth it for the convenience. Fold-up transport wheels are attached and ready anytime, and the handle folds down conveniently for compact storage. This is a reliable, low-maintenance workhorse built to last.